Meet FloodSight, an AI-powered flood prediction and early warning system designed to help communities stay one step ahead of disaster. Using the latest in real-time data and smart machine learning algorithms, FloodSight identifies flood risks before they happen, giving people the time they need to prepare, act, and stay safe. At the heart of FloodSight is our intuitive, interactive dashboard. It transforms complex data into simple, visual insights, displaying up-to-the-minute flood forecasts with clarity and precision. Whether you're a policymaker planning emergency routes, a disaster response team deploying resources, or a citizen looking out for your family, FloodSight puts vital information at your fingertips. What powers FloodSight? We combine multiple data sources, from live weather APIs and river sensors to satellite imagery and historical flood records. Our machine learning models analyze this data to deliver hyperlocal, reliable predictions down to neighborhoods, streets, and even homes. Need help preparing? Our built-in AI chatbot provides real-time support. From evacuation checklists to shelter locations and safety tips, it's like having a digital disaster preparedness expert by your side 24/7. FloodSight doesn't just warn, it empowers you to act with confidence. Designed with simplicity in mind, FloodSight's clean, user-friendly interface ensures that anyone, regardless of technical background, can use it. The platform is accessible on web and mobile, and is constantly updated to reflect the latest data and forecasts. But FloodSight isn't just about technology, it's about impact. Our mission supports the UN Sustainable Development Goals, from sustainable cities and communities, SDG 11, and climate action, SDG 13, to good health and well-being, SDG 3. We're building tools for a safer, more resilient world. And this is just the beginning. Coming soon, mobile apps with customizable push alerts, integration with IoT sensors for real-time field data, support for multi-hazard prediction, including landslides and storms, and multilingual community alerts via SMS and local radio. FloodSight, because every second counts. Stay informed. Stay prepared. Stay safe.